Hello everyone, and welcome to our third week of checking in on the Summer Reading Club. So my name is Samantha and I'm a Youth Services Assistant at the library. And today, or as of today, we've read 274 books so far, which is awesome! And our goal actually for the summer has increased so much more since I last checked in with you guys. Our new goal is 3,161 books to read this summer, which is amazing. I'm so proud of you guys for wanting to get your summer read on. So as you see, I have some things with me here today. So I've got a needle, I've got some thread, I've got some felt. So today I am ready to sew, and I'm wondering if you are ready to sew as well. Because next Wednesday coming up, we have our Sew a Softie program. So our Sew a Softie program is available through our blog. You can register through our Sew a Softie kit. We're going to have 3 different options. You could get a dog, an owl, or a pusheen, and it'll have everything that you need in order to sew that softie. So I will link that information to register into this video description and into the blog post, so you can do that. And we hope you register, and the kits will be available for pickup starting the Wednesday. So otherwise, next week we've got our daily blog prompts, Movement Mondays, Travel Tuesdays, Wacky Wednesdays, Tell It Thursdays, and Fandom Fridays. So feel free to follow along with the blog for those daily activities. As well, we're entering the second week of story times. We've got Story Tent on Tuesday morning at 10:30 a.m., so for ages 0 to 6. And we've got Infant Toddler Story Time Thursday mornings at 10:30 a.m. That's for ages 0 to 2. So those are both on Zoom, and you can feel free to reach out to register through that as well. We hope you have a great summer, everyone, and we can't wait to check in with you again. Thank you so much for getting your summer read on. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.